Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And SrtTrail.txt it's getting issue. So no worry about it. So three time continuously press the power button if you are using desktop or laptop both, and after that it will come this screen. Okay, click on advanced. Okay, advanced options, and after that choose the options and click on the troubleshoot, and then click advanced option again. Then click command from. So first type CHK space C column space slash F space slash R, and then hit enter. So it will start the percentage and it will take some time. Okay, this is important. Now second also it will complete, then try to second. Then next method, uh, type boot rec space slash fix mbr, then hit enter, and after that again next boot rec space slash scan os. Then next boot rec space slash rebuild cd, hit. Okay, then last sfc space slash scan now. Okay, when it is 100% completed, then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.